Right. In the last class, we have successfully discussed about the importance of UX and the importance of UI and what is UX, what is UI, and then the importance of the UX and UI. And then after we have understand what is the necessity of web applications in this world. What is the role web applications are playing in this world. So everything I have discussed in the yesterday class. Right, everyone? Right. So now today class we are going to know about HTML related introduction. But before that, for the new students purpose, one more time I want to tell you the course information, and what you will get, and everything. Then after we'll continue our class. Okay, everybody, right? So now our in the as a part of this course, this technology is what I will teach you is HTML version 5, and it will cover previous versions also. CSS version 3, and it will cover previous versions also. JavaScript, jQuery, Bootstrap. These are the technologies we are going to learn as a part of this course. Okay, right. Then after we will design a responsive web template. We will design a responsive web template. Okay, everybody, right. This is what we are going to do as a part of this course. And coming to course information, daily class timings will be 8 p.m. to 9 p.m. What is that, everybody? 8 p.m. to 9 p.m. Class days will be Monday to Friday. Class days will be Monday to Friday. And then after you will get recorded videos, not this live recorded videos. I will give you pre-recorded videos, previous batch videos only. They are not 2 years before, 3 years before, something like that. Just previous batch videos only I will give you. Okay, right. And I will give you example files. That example files contains the notes. I don't have any separate material or PDF file. I don't have any PDF files or material. I will give you whatever the example files I will teach you. In that example file that contains notes as well. Then after duration will be 2 to 3 months. Okay, fixed for 3 months. Okay, everything is clear. Shravani, for yourself, I'm telling because you are the first day student.
Yeah,
So,
it's clear.
right. So this is the course information. Okay, everybody, right. Now let's get into this UX and UI. So whatever I discussed in the yesterday class, little bit I will tell. Then after we'll go to the HTML related introduction. Okay, so what is our course? UI technologies. So there is other terminology also there. What is that? UX. UX stands for user experience. Okay, UI stands for user interface. Both are interrelated. They are not same. They are different, but they are interrelated. Like you and your parents, you both have relation. From your parents only you are coming out, but you both are different people. If you eat, your parents hungry does not fulfill. They need to eat separately, and you need to eat separately. Why? Why? Because you people are both are different persons. Okay, everybody, right? In the same way, UX and UI also purely different. UX is purely graphical work. UX is purely graphical work. To do that graphical work, we need to use Photoshop, CorelDRAW, or Illustrator, that related softwares. Okay, right. Of course, UX is not part of our course, is not part of our course UX, but I want to give you some clarity about the UX. So what is this UX will do is, first of all, if anybody want to start any software application, directly nobody writes the program. For example, you are feeling bored in your home, you want to go outside. So directly do you go outside, or else just you will prepare a destination? Okay, I want to go to Tank Band, or else I want to go to AMB Mall, that means a shopping complex, or else any movie theater, or else any park, or else any park, or else zoo park, something like that. We will fix a destination. Then only we'll move outside. Right, everybody? Please respond. So if you want to do simple work also, we need to finalize the destination. In the same way, when anybody want to start any application also, directly nobody writes the program. They need to have destination. That destination can be called as requirements. What is it, everybody? Requirements. So business analyst will gather the requirements, okay, by speaking with the client 3 to 4 times, 5 to 10 times also they will speak and finalize the requirements. Once that requirements has finalized, they will send that requirements to the project manager. Project manager will send that requirements to the departments: web application development department, mobile application related department, quality analyzing department. Quality analyzing departments, testing departments. So each and every department, there will be single team to multiple teams also there. He will choose one appropriate team to complete that project. Then after, he will send that project to the that requirements to the different sorry, they will send that the requirements to the teams whatever he chosen, and each and every team there will be team leaders and senior employee. All the team leader and senior employees will go through that requirements. Okay, and the UX department also they will send UI development also. Of course, they are part of the web application development. UX and UI also part of the web application development. So they will go through the requirements. The 1 or 2 days they will take time. Then after, they will conduct a meeting. In that meeting, they will finalize the deadline of the project. They will send that information to the sales department. That sales department person will finalize the cost of the project. Once that is finalized by the client also, he will send the deadline of the project, and he will send the estimation also. If he agree, then only our project will be started. This is the minimum process each and every software company follows. Okay, right. Then only the client will send you a signal. Okay, we can start our project like that. So then we need to start our project. Whenever he client approved, okay, you can proceed, then only we need to start our project. So who will start our project first? UX person will start our project. What he will do? He will go through the requirements. Then after, he will design a plan to fulfill the requirements. What type of application we need to design? Where we need to keep that menu? Where we need to keep the search engine, something like that. Okay, everybody. To design that plan, he will use, or else that person will use graphical softwares. That person will use graphical softwares. What are they? Photoshop, CorelDRAW, Illustrator. Okay, everybody. With the help of the softwares, first of all, he will design the wireframe. Wireframe means what? Places, okay, of the application. Okay, place of the application. Okay, right. Then after, once that is approved by the client, he will design mockup. For example, if I tell like this, you cannot understand. I will show you an example. See here, everyone. This is called wireframe. What it is containing? A purely image. But what it is containing? Menu, logo, search, name, details. See here, there is a cross symbol is there with a box. So you should not feel there is nothing like that. Whenever you find like this, you should understand there is an image. Okay, everyone. Does he keeping the images here? Exact images? No. Just he will fixing the places only. Where menu has to come, where logo has to come, where search has to come, where profile related image has to come, where the detail has to come, like that. He is finalizing the places. That's why it can be called as places. That's why it can be called as plan. Fixing the places can be called as plan. Is it clear, everybody? Respond. Shravani, Rushi, Raj, everybody.
Yes, sir.
Okay, right. Shravani, it is clear for you.
Yes, sir.
Right. So this is called as plan. So generally we will call it as plan, but in software terminology, especially in web application development, we need to call it as wireframe. We need to call it as wireframe. Okay, right. So then that UX designer will send this wireframe to the client. Once that client approved our wireframe, okay, this is fine. Then after, we need to convert this wireframe into mockup. Observe this mockup. Observe my cursor. What is this mockup? What is mockup will do? See, mockup also one plan. But what is that plan? First of all, in the wireframe, he fixes the places only. Then after, in that particular place, he will keep appropriate icons and images also. Okay, that is called as a mockup. So see here, left side he kept the menu. So how he is indicating the menu with this icon? Then after, in the middle there is a logo. This is an image. And then after, there is a search button. So how he is fulfilling with the search icon? Okay, right. Then after, see here, he is displaying here a profile image. See, this is a profile image. Then after that, profile related details. What is that first name? Then after details. See, first of all, this is the name. Then after, this is the details. San Diego, CA, photographer, like that. Then after, this is social media icons. Okay, everybody, this is the social media icons related to this particular profile. Then after see it, there is a big image. This is called banner. See, there is a banner image. Then after likes, share, comment. See it, they are displaying with count here. Then after here he is displaying camera, chart, home, alert, something, but he is not writing the text here. Simply to fulfill that requirements, he is displaying simple icons. By seeing this camera icon, we will understand, okay, if you want to take the photo, we need to click on the camera. If you want to chat, we need to click on this icon. If you want to go to the starting of the application, we need to click on the home page. If you want to see anything happens in our application, we need to click on the notifications. If you want to change anything in our application, we need to go to the settings. This is called markup. Once this markup also approved by the client, then after we'll convert it as web application or mobile application. After converting, it will look like this. If you open in the iPhone or anything, it will open like this. The difference between markup and prototype is here is missing these icons. To represent these likes, shares, comments, they are displaying some extra icons here. So this is the general process each and every web application will follow before starting of the web application development by writing code before starting the coding. First of all, they will design everything in the graphical softwares. Sir, why they are doing everything they are doing in the graphical softwares? Very simple answer. For example, if you want to change any places, client will tell something. No, I don't want this logo on the left side. I want to keep in the center. So that what happens? It is very convenient to move in the graphical software. Simply we can pick from the left side and we can keep in the center. Search button I want to left side. Simply we can keep the search button here and we will keep on the left side. And we can keep this menu in the right side. So whatever the suggestions, whatever the modifications client is telling, it is very easy to modify in the graphical software comparatively coding. That's why we will do in the graphical software. If you want to change any icons also, it is very convenient. Clear or not? Respond everybody. Right. So this is the everything. Okay, this is the basic steps every company will follow before starting of the coding related to that particular application. To follow this process, they need to use graphical software. Who will do this process? UX designer do this process. He will use some graphical software. It will provide us plan for our application. So what are the places how our application should look like? Okay, everyone, clear or not? Respond, everyone. Please respond.
Yes, sir, it's clear.
Okay, right, very good. So then after what is this is UX. After this markup and this prototype also approved by the client, then only we need to convert it as a web page. So to convert this as a web page, we need to use HTML and CSS. What is that, everybody? We need to use HTML and CSS. HTML will provide structure for the application and CSS will beautify our structure. CSS will beautify our structure. So first of all, we need to know what is HTML, what is CSS and everything. First of all, I will give you introduction about HTML. So now let's get into that. Give me a second. Right. Before learning any technology, we must know who developed the technology, or else language, or else anything. First of all, we need to know who developed, what purpose they have developed, what we can do with the technology. Then only we need to start our learning. Understand, everybody? Okay, right. In the same way, first of all, what is this? Who developed this HTML? Who developed this HTML? HTML was developed by Tim Berners-Lee. Who is that, everybody? Tim Berners-Lee. Clear or not? Okay, right. HTML was developed by Tim Berners-Lee. So why HTML was developed? Okay, why HTML was developed? If anybody develops anything, there should be some purpose. Okay, everybody. For example, we will go to shopping mall. Okay, why? To purchase some clothes. Or else nowadays in the shopping mall, they are keeping some movie theaters also. So we will go to movie theaters. Okay, everybody. Right. Anything we will do. Or else at least we will do window shopping also. Okay, we will refer all the clothes. We may purchase or else we may not purchase also. That is called window shopping. So any one of the things we will do. So here also he has developed this HTML. If anybody develops anything means, if anybody doing anything means, there should be some purpose. Okay, so what is the purpose of this HTML? Why HTML was developed? So why? To create web pages or website. Okay, to create a web page also, to create a website also, we need to use HTML only. Then what is a website? So website is nothing but collection of web pages. which contains proper information. So here, if you want to develop a website, okay, we cannot write entire thing in the same page, one page also. For example, we will design, we will see a book. So how that book has, okay, what that book contains, entire information they will display in a single page? No. Why? It will be very huge. That page will be very huge. So that's why what I think they will do. First of all, they will cut that information into chapters, and each and every chapter they will display into pages, sorry, paragraphs. Each and every chapter they will display with the paragraphs. If that paragraph require any images, they will display that one also. So first of all, they will finalize entire content, okay, in a rough notebook. Then after that entire content they will divide into chapters. Okay, after finalizing the chapter, what they will do, they will convert it, they will okay, send it to the printing press. There they will create a proper book. Okay, right, this is the process they will follow. In the same way, whenever you want to develop any web application also, okay, entire code, entire information we cannot display in a single page, because user will feel uncomfortable to read entire information in a single page. That's why what is the thing we'll do, we'll convert into multiple pages. In the home page, in the landing page, we will display something. Then after, in the about page, we will display something. That means who are we, why we are developing this application, what is our motivation, what is our agenda, something like that. Okay, why we have started this business and everything, we will explain in the about us. Then after, we will display services. What are the services we are providing? Then after, how to contact us, we are displaying that information in the contact page. So all the information related to our particular application only, but still we will divide into multiple pages. So to design a single page also, to design entire web page also, sorry, entire website also, we need to use HTML and CSS only. Clear it, everybody? That can be called as a website. So website is nothing but collection of web pages. Each and every web page contains different types of information. Clear it, everyone? Please respond. Hello.
Yes. Yes, sir.
Okay, respond everybody. Okay, not only single person. I need to get a interaction with everybody. Sirisha, Rushi, Rajesh, Praveen, Sravani, Vamsi Krishna. Hello. See, you are not responding to chat or else voice at least. Respond everyone.
Yes, sir, it's clear.
Yes, sir.
Right.
Yeah,
Okay.
clear.
Right. So instead of chat, respond through voice. It will be very easy also. Okay. Right. Then after, what is this? What is the purpose of the web page or website? So we are developing websites. Whenever just now I told, whenever you are doing anything, there should be some purpose. So you are also developing some websites. So definitely there should be some purpose. What is the purpose of the website or web page? To share the information across the world. Actually, in the internet, what are we getting? Web applications. In the web applications, what are you doing? You are sharing the information. For example, information can be shared in 4 ways. So in which way we can share? First of all, previous days, everybody shared the information in the text format, supporting with images. Okay, for example, Wikipedia, you can see the information in the text format. If any image is required, they will display that images also. Okay, right, that is one thing. And then after, everybody share the information in the form of videos, in the form of videos also. For example, YouTube is there. You are getting entertainment also. Entertainment also one type of information only. Okay, how they are displaying that information? In the form of video. Clear or not? What is that, everybody? Video. Of course, they will support with the text also. What type of video that is and everything, they will display that. So finally, they are displaying the information in the form of video only. Okay. Then after, they have developed e-commerce project also. In the e-commerce project, what you will get? Images. Of course, they will separate. They will support with text also. So whatever it may be, they are providing the information with the images format. 3 V's is completed. But now latest trend is what? Audio format. For example, Cookie FM is there. Somebody will read a book for you. Simply you can listen to that book. So that you no need to read also. They are reading, you can analyze and you can understand the things also. Clear it, everybody? Please respond. Okay, what are we getting? We are getting the information in the internet. Okay, everyone, please respond. See here, everybody. Myntra.com. We are thinking that this is the images. Of course, they are images. But what are the images purpose? For example, this is the close. See, who will upload these images? We cannot upload our own images. You cannot upload your own images. I cannot upload my own images. Some vendors will be there. They will upload these images. That means what are they doing? Whatever the products they have, that products they are taking the photos and that information. What are the products they are having? That information they are providing in the form of images supporting with text. So this images also information only. Whatever the image, whatever the products I have, that products related information I am providing by taking the photos. Okay. Of course, in the whenever you open YouTube also, observe here. Each and every video uploaded by different YouTube channels. So whatever the information they have at that particular time, they are providing that. For example, this Bhavani movie, HD movies is providing, okay, they are spreading that information, whatever they have in this YouTube channel. They are providing with the video format. And the CTV Andhra Pradesh is displaying that information, whatever they have in this video format. So what are we getting finally? Information only. What is that, everybody? Information only. So in the video format. And in the same way, if you go to the google.com, if you search anything like Mike Tyson wiki, see it? What are we getting? We are getting information in the Wikipedia. How are we getting? One or two images. See, images are less and more text format. So here they are displaying entire information in the text format. They are supporting with images. And here in the Myntra, they are most information they are sharing with images and they are supporting with text. And YouTube also they are sharing the information in the video format. They are supporting with text. So whatever it may be, what are we getting? Information only. What is that, everybody? We are getting information only. Okay, everybody, that is the purpose of the website and web application. And with the help of information, what we will do? Respond, everybody. With the help of information, what we will do? Respond. With the help of information, what we will do? We will evolve. What is that, everybody? We will evolve. We will improve ourselves. See, humans are evolving persons. Okay, everybody, every human will evolve day by day, or else month by month, or else year by year at least, or else decade by day also. Okay, decade by day also we will improve ourselves. Okay, whenever our college days, our financial strategy is very poor, but then after we will learn, we will complete our graduation. Thereafter, we'll get okay job. Why? Because whenever you are completing your graduation, okay, you got some information. With the help of your information, you have evolved, so that you are getting the job. Then after you are evolving financial also. Then after you are purchasing whatever you want. So we are evolving people. Okay, this is the difference between animals and humans are okay. Comparatively animals, human will evolve more. Clear or not? So previously we will evolve through only books, but now we are evolving through internet also. Okay, everybody. So how we are providing the information? Through websites only. So websites are playing crucial role in human evolution. That is what I want to tell you. Clear or not? Respond. Why silent, everyone?
Sir, clear, sir.
Okay, right. So with the help of web applications, we are providing the information. With the help of information, everybody is evolving. Evolving nothing but modifying themselves in a good way or bad way. Whatever it may be, they are evolving. Okay, right. Most of the time, 95% we are evolving in a positive way only. Right. Then after, what is the purpose? To share the information across the world. This is what I have explained also. Then after, how to share the information across the world. What is that, everybody? How to share the information across the world. So, for example, I have developed an application. So, that application can be available to the entire world. Respond, everybody. I have created my own website in my computer. That application can be available to the entire world. No.
Okay.
Only you can see that application because you have developed the application. or else you can call your relatives, you can call your family member, you can show in your computer. Okay, everybody, but not the entire world. So if you want to make that website, whatever you have developed, that should be available for entire world, means what is the thing we need to do? We need to purchase two things in the in the internet. That means www. What is it, everybody? www. www stands for World Wide Web. So what are the two things we need to purchase? First thing is domain name. For example, if you observe here, what is this domain name? For example, see here, everybody, what is this? Wikipedia.org. That is the domain. Okay, application name can be called as domain name. Okay, right. Give me a second. Then after, we are seeing here google.com. What is that, everybody? Google.com. What is that? That is the domain name. What is this? youtube.com. This is the domain name. Mintra.com. What is it? This is the domain name. Okay, zoom.us. What is this? This is the domain name. Clear it, everybody? Our application name can be called as domain name. First of all, this domain name we need to purchase. And respond, everybody, this domain name should be unique, or else anybody can have any domain name. Respond, everybody. This should be unique or not? That's what I want to ask. This application name should be unique or not?
Unique, sir.
Should be unique. Okay, that's why whenever you want to purchase a domain name, they will ask you first search for the domain. Okay, whenever the domain is available, then only they will send it. Then only they will sell it to you. Or else they need to sell it. They will keep a bid. If you are interested, you need to pay that amount of money. Okay, everybody, you need to pay that amount of money to that that domain. Then only we are able to purchase. For example, where can you get the domain names? For example, GoDaddy.com, okay, BigRock.com, like that. For example, go to the GoDaddy.com. Okay, this application will sell you the domain names and hosting space also. I will explain what is this hosting space also. Okay, right. Now see here, everybody. I am searching for facebook.com on search domain. What they are telling everybody? Domain has taken broker service fee. That means if you want to take this facebook.com, they are not selling also. You need to speak with that Facebook owner. Okay, to speak with that Facebook owner, the broker service is 10,000 almost. Clear it, everybody? Respond. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Okay, that means what? Okay, you cannot create another facebook.com. If everybody can create a facebook.com, youtube.com, google.com, then what happens? Entire information will be, okay, we'll get, okay, every application duplicated. So then what happens? There is no genuinity. So everybody stops using internet. Why? Because there is no genuinity. Okay, everybody, right? For example, somebody, okay, are selling Calvin Klein, only one person. Okay, Tommy Hilfiger shirts. So then what happened? There is a genuine product, but everybody is selling the Tommy Hilfiger and the quality is bad. Out of 199% are selling bad, okay, third grade products only. So then what do you purchase that? No, definitely. Why? There is no genuinity. If there is no genuinity, why can you pay 5,000, 6,000 for a single shirt? You don't do that. So there should be some genuinity. So if there should be some genuinity, means that should be unique. Authorized persons only should have that. So here also Facebook already taken that. If you want that facebook.com on behalf of you yourself, you need to see, you need to recruit this person by paying 10,000 rupees and he will negotiate on behalf of you. Clear it, everybody? Right, see it. Get a personal expert, okay, broker negotiation on our behalf. Keep your identity anonymous and transaction secure. Get peace of mind with the global leader in domains. Okay, everybody. So whatever it may be, just knowledge purpose, I'm telling this. Okay, so you cannot create your own domain. That should be available. So in the GoDaddy.com, BigRow.com, or else Google person also will sell. Yahoo servers also will sell you that. Okay, right. So first thing is what? Domain name. Okay, right. And second thing is what? Hosting space. For example, if you want to develop an application, if you pray for God, so, God, please give me an application. Does he give that application? No. Right, everyone. So God does not give any applications. We need to program for that. Okay, everybody. So whenever you are developing an application, it will occupy some space. For example, see here everybody, assume you have, okay, this is my application. This is my application. Okay, of course it is class, but assume it is my application. So what it is doing, it is occupying some space in my computer. That means how much? Wait 1 second, everybody. How much space it is occupying? 76.3 MB they are occupying in my computer. Okay, so whenever you are developing an application, you need to write code. Whenever you are writing code, okay, we need to save in the computer only by saving by specifying the file names. So whenever you are saving anything in your computer, it will occupy some space. Okay, in the same way, we need to occupy that much space in the server or not. Respond everybody. So if you want to upload that files to the server, okay, we need to occupy some space or not. Respond everyone.
Yes, sir. We need.
Okay, we need to occupy some space. So that space can be provided freely? No, that space also we need to purchase. Okay, that space can be called as hosting space. What is that, everybody? That space can be called as hosting space, which contains our application files in our server. So whatever the files you have in our computer, that files we need to move to the server, then only that can be available in the entire world also. Okay, everybody. So yeah, that purpose, what other thing we need to do in that server? We need to purchase some space. Depends upon your application. Okay, depends upon your application size. Depends upon your application data. Some applications are only 1 GB. Some applications are 10 GB. Some applications are unlimited. So that much space you need to pay. Sorry, that much space you need to purchase by paying some amount of money. Clear or not? Okay, everybody. Right. This GoDaddy persons will send you that. Okay, clear or not? Respond everybody. Hello. Right.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
So,
yes,
yeah.
sir.
For example, see here, everybody, what are you doing here? Wait 1 second. I will show you one more time. I am typing here Myntra.com. What are you doing here? You are just typing the domain name only, but automatically this application is opening or not? Respond everyone. Automatically this application is opening or not? Yes, it is opening. How? Because whenever you type the domain name, it is internally linked with the hosting space related to this particular application. From that space, this file is coming automatically. I am not typing here Myntra.com/open homepage, open some page, okay, something like that. Automatically this page is opening. Why? Because in that space, whatever the server they have purchased in that space, they have a file called index file. What is that, everybody? Index. So whenever you type here any domain name, since that application is containing index, that file will call automatically. That file will call automatically. That means what is the thing we need to understand? Each and every application should have index file. What is that, everybody? Index. Maybe that extension may be HTML, PHP, Java, whatever it may be. But each and every application should have index file. Why? Because whenever user types your application in the URL, that index file will call first. From then we can navigate to, okay, any other page also. See it, everybody. For example, you want to purchase some shirts, US Polo. Simply they are displaying that images. What we will do? We'll click there. Where they are displaying the home page. From the home page, they are moving to the some other page. See it, whatever they are providing, we can purchase any one of the products. Clear or not? Respond everyone. See it, everyone. We are coming to this T-shirt. How we are coming directly? We are not typing this URL in the okay. We are not typing this in the URL. First of all, we are opening the Myntra.com only. Then after they are displaying US Polo shirts. Then after we are clicking on this particular product. Then after we are coming here. Clear or not? Respond everybody. Hello.
Yes, sir, it's clear.
Okay, right.
Yes, sir.
So how we are coming to this? Because of this home page only. See here, not this is the home page. This is the home page. Okay, so home page is the key of our application. From that particular home page only, we'll move to one page to another page. Just like our hall. For example, whenever you are entering the home, nobody directly go to the bedroom. First of all, we need to get to the hall. From that hall, we will go to bedroom or washroom or balcony, whatever you want, like that. In the same way, this is our hall for our entire application. This should be named as index. Okay, everybody? Right. So this is about this internet and web application related information. Clear it, everybody? Please respond. Whatever I discussed just now, this is clear or not? How internet work? Okay, how web applications are working? What we need to purchase after developing the application and everything. Okay, everybody, right. So where we to purchase this domain name and hosting space? In the www only. Then who developed this www? Tim Berners-Lee has developed this www. So www stands for World Wide Web. So this is about this website related information. Is it clear at everyone? Hello? Right. So that's it, everyone. So leave it like this, everybody. So leave it like this. So we will meet on Monday. Then in the Monday class, I will give you some clear cut knowledge about this HTML, because now we have only 5 to 10 minutes time. We cannot complete that. Okay. So that's why I'm postponing it to the Monday class. Monday class, I will give you this entire introduction related to HTML, and we'll implement the practical examples also. Okay, everybody. Monday class will complete the introduction. Then after we'll start our practical examples also. Clear it, everybody? Okay, right. So that's it, everyone. This is the class for today. So Monday we'll meet, we'll continue our classes. Okay, everyone, right. Thank you very much, everybody. Hope this entire class is understandable, right? Respond, everyone.
Yes, sir.
And respond new students and other students also.